Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the editor permissions on your Google Docs spreadsheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the share button up at the top. So you want to change their permissions, just select next to their name. There should be a little drop down. You can select viewer, commenter, or editor, or you can even remove them or make them an owner. And then you just would select done to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.